I've been waiting for this vacation, Florence, and I'm sure going to enjoy it.
Yes, we both need a vacation, George.
Yeah.
And don't forget Precious riding in the back. He needs a vacation, too.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like a nice place. Let's pull in there, George.
Well, there goes the neighborhood. Hey, watch it!
George, you backed into a tree.
I know it, Florence. I'm sorry.
Come out, Precious. Come and see the pretty forest. Come on out, Precious. Now, nothing's gonna hurt you. Oh, look. Shame on you, fraidy cat. That's just a cute little chipmunk.
Now I've seen everything.
And there's a cute bunny and a little birdie. And that's one of our friends, the woodpecker. Now you stop this nonsense. Go take a nice walk in the forest. Go on now. Nothing's going to hurt you.
Oh, boy, this is too good. Folks, watch the old master in action. Hi, pal. I'm Woody Woodpecker. You're a cat, huh? Oh, some of my best friends are cats. Let me show you around. I think you'd enjoy the Indian paintings. Ain't that something? Let me take your picture. Oh, that looks fine. But move back just a little bit and take the rock with you. That's better. But just a little further back. Ah, that's better. Don't move. You move! Well, why didn't you say you wanted to see the geyser? And we're just in time. It's due to pop off right now. Don't worry, pussycat. I'll save you. Well, what would you like to see next? I forgot to tell you, you're not allowed to tease the bears. Pal, the park rules say that we forest creatures must be kind to our city visitors. You look tired. Wait here and I'll get you a drink. Here, this'll give you a lift. And away we go. Poor Kitty. I better help him out. I'm sorry, Kitty, but you'll have to walk back. You only had a one-way ticket. Goodbye, Sissy Puss. See you next season.